on station.
Copy. All set here.
Seeing room to set down on the roof.
Check. Eyes on two armed at the front door.
Alejandro, how you doing?
Un vaquero inside.
God damn. How'd you do that?
Violently.
Visual on sub.
Moment of truth.
They see him.
They do now. They're taking him in.
Kid's got sand.
Hope he makes it.
Hermano. Alejandro. How did you... No time. Listen. Give them good intel in there. Don't lie. Tell them everything they want to know. You'll die here. Tell them everything. Everything. Mexican Special Forces, American PMC's Shadow Company, Philip Graves. All truth. Even your name. ¿Es este?
Sí, señor.
You got a name, Hawk?
They call me Soap.
¿Quién verga se llama Jabón? Let's go.
I want to see El Nombre.
Quiere ver al jefe. You only alive because you may have some information. And it better be good, Güero. I'm going to scalp that hog right off your fucking head. Get the fuck out of my elevator. This is my house. That means you don't meet the boss until I say so. You don't speak unless spoken to. Y lo más importante, tell the fucking truth. Because if you lie, I'll feed you to my dogs. ¿Qué vergas estás haciendo?
Llevo días sin dormir.
El patrón no quiere drogas.
Diego, ya sé, pero es solo para estar al 100.
¡Sigue! ¡Las putas! ¡Órdenes! El dolor te mantendrá 100. Órale a trabajar. Las almas is at war. You want to win? Don't disobey. That is how the organization survives. And that is why the boss is here tonight.
El Nombre's down here.
No. Sin nombre es personal sicaria es. Valeria, y no más. Un gringo.
Sit down. ¿Y este quién es?
Su nombre es Jabón. Él nos buscó.
¿Jabón? No mames. ¿Y lo trajiste para acá? Así nomás.
Dice que tiene información.
¡Pendejo de mierda! No tenemos ni puta idea de quién es este güey. ¡Ya nos vio la cara!
Valeria, necesitamos servicios de inteligencia. Él puede ayudarnos.
Pues más te vale que nos dé algo, porque si no, luego de que mate a este vato, el que va a esa silla eres tú. Niños! This is simple. I ask questions. You answer truthfully. Do not lie to me. Recently, we were protecting a friend in the mountains. Someone attacked us there. Who?
Todo un caos. No vi.
En inglés, pa'l gringo.
I think it was the Rivals Cartel.
Your turn, Blanquito. Who attacked us?
It wasn't cartel. That was Mexican Special Forces.
We found the bodies. Fuerzas especiales. Now, how would an outsider know there were Mexican special forces and not you?
Maybe he was there. Tú estabas allá, pendejo. Tal vez estaba él también allá.
There were outsiders helping the Mexican special forces. Who were they?
We heard them yelling, some in English. They were with the gringos, like him.
American PMCs. A group called Shadow Company.
Los vaqueros están trabajando con los mercenarios, güey.
Esas pinches víboras.
¿Sí, ves?
Tenía razón. Fueron los gringos.
Can you prove the Shadow Company even exists, imbécil?
How can I prove this?
What about you? What proof do you have?
Revisé mi bolsillo.
¿Qué es eso?
Shadow Company's insignia. Proof.
Who leads Shadow Company? Give me a name.
Philip Graves.
Phil Graves. Llenar tumbas. Me gusta.
This man, Graves, what does he want?
The Iranian. He wants Hassan.
¿Y él cómo sabe eso? No puedes confiar en él. No puedes. ¡Te lo digo!
¡Tú no nos has dicho ni verga, idiota!
Te pagamos muy bien y este extranjero sabe más que tú.
Puedes matar a este culero inútil.
Por placer, Valeria.
Por favor, no quiero morir.
Qué bonito. Te vi bien ahí. Well done. Ahora sí a chambearle.
We're going upstairs. Come on, güero. To be fucking clear, we're not done with you. Sin Nombre will decide your future. Vuelta a trabajar, pinches cabrones. Vamos. Mueve el culo, cabrón. House. Los vaqueros se están moviendo muy rápido.
Voy a estar en el penthouse con el sin nombre.
When do I see El Nombre?
Valeria's gonna speak to the boss now. We'll wait with the others.
I have a feeling el sin nombre will be very interested in talking to you.
This is where you wait. Soap. Voy a estar en la ofrenda. Que no me interrumpan.
Sí, jefe.
Órale, me encargo de él, güey. Me necesitan afuera.
Bien. Hay que darle una máscara y vigilarlo.
You're alive.
Alejandro. You too, mate. El Nombre is in the penthouse. 3rd floor.
We'll need a key card.
Diego has it.
Take this.
Sweet.
Here.
Why a mask?
Some people here can't be seen with the cartel. Comms are hooked in.
Radio check.
Got you.
You're good. Let's head out.
Ghost, we're in. What have you got?
El Nombre is in the penthouse. 3rd floor.
Elevator is a straight shot. We just need Diego's key card.
Where's Diego? The ofrenda, 2nd floor.
You seeing anything, LT?
If you can scout way to the roof, there's access to the penthouse.
I'm headed upstairs either way.
Cuidado, hermano. Guards find you up there or in the garage. They'll shoot on sight.
What's in the garage?
No idea, but it's important to Diego. Find El Nombre and let's get this done. Out here.
número de cuenta, 0919-014.
Te escucho.
Esta noche.
¿Por qué dices que es imposible? Te pagamos por servicios como este.
C1. Voy hacia la armería. 2 minutos.
You can look for a way up or follow that guard.
Ahora quiero que muevas el dinero. Esta noche.
This is a denied area. The guards will shoot on sight.
I'm on the second floor.
Diego's in the ofrenda. This floor.
Alejandro,
¿Sí?
found a weapon.
Cuidado, hermano. You go loud, this whole place will hunt us down. Don't lose that knife, hermano.
Found Diego's room.
Could have something useful.
Found a suppressed weapon.
Much better.
Nice piece.
Violencia como nunca han visto en su
Llámate a todos los
maldita
jefes
vida.
de la plaza.
Alejandro, Diego's dead.
A huevo, that's my carnal. Now get his keycard quickly.
Got the keycard.
Good work. RV at the elevator or meet on the first floor. Just stay quiet. Soap, you have incoming. Get out of here now.
They know I'm on the second floor.
Quiet down here. All right, Benito.
Here we go.
This is it, hermano. For years, Nombre corrupted this city. Le vendió su nombre al diablo. Tonight we take it back.
Hasta la muerte.
Aye. Security checkpoints ahead.
How do we get through?
Trust me.
Identificación.
C4, tengo al otro visitante.
Get in here.
Sneak said. Time to get PID on ese nombre.
Let's put a face to the
The
nameless.
shipment for Spain arrived on schedule. I can assure you my men will conclude the arrangement and the packages will be in place.
Sin nombre. ¿Estás preparado para otro visitante?
¡Feliz viaje! Muy bien. Empecemos.
No fucking way.
What is it?
The Sicaria I met downstairs, Valeria. She's El Nombre.
Valeria. Are you sure, hermano?
Yes.
We have to move. Graves, si Nombre's posting as a female Sicaria. We're moving in. You said?
Check.
Ghost,
Ready.
take her alive. officer! Valeria! I know her!
Have a seat. All right, how do you two know each other?
No is a strong word.
Las palabras fuertes son importantes. Nuestra palabra es nuestro valor, ¿no?
¡De la verga, hija de puta, que te voy a matar! ¡Calmado, comandante! ¡Ya! ¡Ya! ¿Vamos? ¿Cerdo?
I don't take orders anymore. Even the dogs in Las Almas know not to bark at me.
She's ex-military. We served together.
Different squads, same unit. You were the wild ones. Los vaqueros. My squad was clean cut, señoras y señores.
Until the raid on the Son of la Araña. ¿Te acuerdas?
Me acuerdo perfecto.
Her team was told to cordon off the city to keep all Araña's enforcers and prevent the bloodshed.
That's exactly what we did.
Well, you kept out his enforcers because you were his enforcers, huh?
He was escorted to the mountains without incident. Also, to prevent bloodshed.
He was supposed to go to prison.
So you killed him. And you took over.
I created a power vacuum, and I filled it. Las Almas needs me.
Las Almas needs soldiers, not sicarios. Y usted? You disgrace the army. Y tus hermanos, ¿no?
Why are you doing this?
You tell me. You're the contractor, no? What you don't do, your competitors will.
You're a narco harboring a terrorist.
Terrorism is good for business. It's insurance.
What the fuck does that mean?
¡Puedes sacar la puta cabeza del culo por un segundo! ¡Puta madre, Alejandro! As long as there is a war on terror, there will be no real war on drugs. To find your so-called terrorists and your missiles, you need me. To prevent bloodshed.
No, I'm not doing this.
Doesn't change anything.
It changes everything! Fuck! Don't make a deal with her. Won't end well.
Looks like it's your turn to tell the truth.
I want the missiles, I want the target, and I want Hassan. And you've got 10 seconds, or I'm gonna show you the difference between the military and me.
I don't know the targets. I'm a courier. I move things. I can tell you where to find the missiles. When you return, I'll tell you where Hassan is. In exchange, you will let me go and get the fuck out of Las Almas. Se me largan ya.
Deal. Until then, you're staying right here.
Coordinates obtained through interrogation confirm an oil rig 400 nautical miles offshore in the Gulf of Mexico. The rig is no longer active and is currently in use by the cartel as a smuggling dead drop. A cargo ship is anchored 500 meters to its northwest. Surveillance saw personnel moving a large container from the ship to the rig. That container is now on top of the platform. We believe this is the missile. TF-141, Colonel Vargas and Shadow Company will infill 3 boat teams for a simultaneous takedown of both targets. Ghost will lead the ship assault team. Graves, Soap, and Alejandro will engage the oil rig and disarm the missile. All shooters will give no quarter. Your orders are to eliminate all threats.